See mother? So here we are going to see about the statement of argument. Last class we are given about the we are ignored about the statement itself. Yes, go
Harness.
I know the statement and argument is so long. Information ஒன்று கொடுப்போம் அதுக்கு தனியாக டாக்குமெண்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க ஒன்று வந்து பாசிட்டிவ் ஆகும்னா நெகட்டிவ் ஆகும் இருக்கும் இல்லை ரெண்டு பாசிட்டிவ் ஆகும் இருப்பாங்க பிக்சர் ஸோ அது பத்து அது இருக்கு பேச கிடைக்கும் The Rashtra has seen about the whether it can do the export or not. But is it the recurrency only? Or spending huge amounts on international sports. Sports can be used to spend the you have to spend the huge amount on it. This is the first one is not. The Magi was there.
This money can be
and next one there. Example smoking, prohibited smoking is called dangerous to our so that what you say smoking one process says smoking can be must be stopped, the other process says smoking means that the freedom will be accessible. Similarly comes here, so for sports, those who are regular sports here, they want either sports as to be spend the government has to spend the money for the sports. But what the other people say is the money can be used for the upliftment of the poor. Which one can you agree with? Upliftment of the poor. But what about the sport branch? How can I able to inform our country, familiar our country to other countries? So only two strong, not either one or two. So last class only we do the export itself. We can earn the money from foreign exchanges. Here we want to inform familiar our country to other countries. Only then many of the tourism or many of the other companies may be investing in our country, we can earn the money. So, and then it will go for the upliftment of the poor easily. Now sports include பண்ணா நம்மளுடைய ஃபேமிலியர் நம்மளுடைய வெளியே போகாது வெளியே இன்கம் வராது. So we will be spending money to uplift of the poor self. So what is clearly we spend the money on sports so that our economic product can be grow by our country fame will be delivered to the other countries. So many of the investors can come and invest in our countries. One is after the investing, you can earn the money can be used for the upliftment of the poor. And next one.
India make our solar energy to fulfill energy agreement.
So far, we are producing electricity by the mode of the fuels. And our mode of automobiles, as our department is automobiles are running on the fuel system. Now we are going for EV vehicles, all of the electric vehicles. And electric vehicles we are producing from the hydraulic power or thermal power. This is the fuel based on that. Now we are going for the solar energy. Can you able to read it? What are you saying?
Most of the electric vehicles are harnessing power energy is last chapter in India.
So first one is it says that most energy sources used as present is exhaust. You could energy yes side first thing. Second thing is solar energy requires lot of capital amounts. This can able to go for it. What's the stronger? Most energy is being existed. This is agreed here. And last one is it. And should that that is students of union college university union demand ஆகும்.
Yes, sir.
இங்க போய் சேர்த்துங்க. This will create a political person in the campus. Yes, it is very necessary students to other political leaders. ரெண்டுமே பாசிட்டிவ் ரெண்டுமே students ஃபேவரா கொடுப்பாங்க. ஒன்னு வந்து சொல்றாங்க it will create a political atmosphere. And very students political leaders. Second one is strong.
Sir.
So, either one of them. One of the atmosphere வந்து அவங்க வந்து ஒரு atmosphere உருவாக நெக்ஸ்ட் திங் இது அவங்க வந்து லீடர்ஸ் கிடைக்கும்.